PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional ductwork repair services in Bala Cynwyd, PA, helping homeowners and businesses maintain efficient, healthy, and reliable HVAC systems. Our experienced technicians thoroughly inspect your duct system to identify cracks, leaks, loose connections, and airflow issues, then deliver precise repairs designed to restore optimal performance. Call our ductwork repair service today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a ductwork repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can damaged ductwork affect indoor air quality? Leaky or damaged ducts can pull in dust, allergens, and other contaminants from attics, basements, or crawl spaces. Ductwork repair helps prevent pollutants from entering your air supply and supports cleaner, healthier indoor air. Does ductwork repair improve indoor air quality? Sealing and repairing ducts helps prevent dust, allergens, and contaminants from entering the air supply, resulting in cleaner, healthier indoor air for your home. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our ductwork repair have served Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania ductwork repair office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Bala-Cynwyd.